Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to put an infant car seat base into a car. So we need to start with adjusting the levelness of the base, and this is done with a lever on the back here. You just pull on this and this will allow gravity to swing out the bottom. Now the bottom has 3 settings: max out, mid-range, and flat. So we're going to grab the infant car seat and put it into the base. On the car seat there's this little adjustment for a little level that tells you how big the baby can be at what point, at what level it can sit at. So in infant setting it needs to be at this angle, which just happens to be at the flat position for this base. So now we're going to take this out and we're going to open up this flap. This is where the buckles are stored to attach it to the car. So unclip these, open up this lock. You got to push down on it and then flip it back. Take these buckles, feed them through the sides, push this back down, and now down here we have the black hook, the steel hooks in between the seat cushions. This comes in every car since like the 80s or 90s. It will be in your car. So you'll take these hooks facing up and you'll just hook them in and they'll snap in and you'll know it's connected. Do the same thing on the other side. And now we're ready to tighten. So we'll push this against the back. We'll feed the slack loop through the hole that we fed it through earlier. We'll make sure our belt is not twisted at all. And we'll just keep adjusting it back and forth as we're pulling on it. So now the most important part is we need to push down very hard into the corner of the car and tighten. And we need to check if it's loose. That could probably be a little tighter. Okay, we have no wobble at the back, very minimal at the front, which is allowed. So now we're just going to secure everything down. Put this first flap down, get this out of the way. Put this flap down, take our slack, run it across to the other side in the hole. Put our second flap down and put the lock on top. You'll need to push down on this a little to get the lock over. Engage it, you'll see the green bar, which means it's locked in place. And you're good to go. Last thing, load your baby and car seat in. You'll hear the clicks and off you go.